You want to start playing some chops? I know you do, and that's why I'm going to show you 3 chops for beginner drummers. What's up everyone, CJ here, I hope you're all doing well. The secret to nice sounding chops is to be able to execute them fast around the drum set. And they don't have to be difficult stickings. Now, I'm definitely not a chops master, but knowing some basic chops can really help out with your creativity around the drum set. Just remember, use them with care, because not all chops will fit into any song that you're playing. But hey, for practice, it's gonna be really fun. So let's start with the first chop. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. We're starting off with the inverted paradiddle. The trick with this one is how you phrase the paradiddle, as in where you play the accents. First, let's break down the inverted paradiddle. The sticking for this is right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Let's try it on the snare. Okay, now we're gonna place accents in the sticking. We'll play the accents on all the single strokes, and the diddles are played as ghost notes. So it's gonna be right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Try it out slowly first and then speed it up. Now you can orchestrate the sticking around the drum set. Play the accents on different drums or cymbals, and preferably keep the ghost notes on the snare drum. As you can see, it sounds pretty cool. You can also try to play it as 30-second notes, as a half measure fill or a full measure fill. Alright, next up is an awesome fill with the easiest sticking ever. This fill is insanely easy, and you can also use it in 2 different ways, both sounding really cool. The sticking for this is right, left, kick. So easy, right? First off, we'll play this fill as 16th notes. This fill is played in groups of 3, so you have to play the sticking 5 times and then end on a final hit on the snare drum, for example, which is gonna make it a full measure fill. Let's break it down on the snare drum first. Awesome. Now try to alternate the sticking between the rack toms and the floor toms as well. I don't expect you to have the same setup as I do, so for example, if you don't have any rack toms, apply it to your drum set. Let's go. I mean, you gotta admit, it sounds pretty cool. The second way you can play this is to play the fill as 32nd notes, and it's gonna make it a half measure fill. This is gonna work great as a fast fill with a groove and halftime feel. Alright you guys, chop number 3. This chop sounds massive, and it's great for beginners. A lot of professional drummers use this fill all the time because it's really versatile and it works great with different genres of music. It's played as 16th note triplets or sextuplets, and you play the bass drum and a cymbal together on all the 8th notes. I mostly play this as a half measure fill, but you can definitely use it as a full measure fill as well. I'm gonna break it down slowly for you first and then gradually increase the speed. Alright you guys, so those were 3 beginner-friendly chops, and I hope you got some really cool ideas from this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. You want to check out some more beginner-friendly fills? Check this video right here. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.